I'm gonna be trolling with the soundboard. Like, I've got slap sounds. I've got music. Make sure to like and subscribe because it will help out my channel a lot. And I'm trying to get to 15K. Alright, so let's get into it.
Who is doing what? Let me know.
Let the mods know. Let the world know. The Gorilla Tag is only becoming less and less popular by the day because of new toxic people. Rage Movement is here to stop that. I'm Rage and I'm running for president of Gorilla Tag to stop this toxicity. And we're here to stop bad players from ruining the game that we all love together.
Yeah!
The Rage Movement shall live on until the mods do something about it.
Are you sure? You're not gonna hear that. And you're wearing a blue hat.
Wait, are you blue shirt guy? Are you blue shirt guy?
Oh. Like, keep getting off.
Does anyone wanna play mini games?
They added new sounds to the game. If you hit someone on the head, it makes the bonk sound. Try it on me, try it on me.
Oh my god. It's too good.
See?
Should I get it?
Oh yeah, something interesting.
Guys, should I get this?
Wait, slap me in the face. Like this.
Guys, should I get this?
They added new sounds to Gorilla Tag. When you have like a helmet on like that, and if you like someone hits you, it makes a sound. Wait, you can't hit yourself though.
What?
Wait, where's that monkey? Where's that monkey?
What's your favorite song?
Wait, did someone come on? Wait, did someone come on? I don't know.
Oh, sorry, I don't have that song,
I'm
but
just
I have
trying
this
to
song.
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skated and they froze.
My son. I'm trying to help him figure out the teleporting thing.
Wait,
guess.
teleporting where? Like,
I don't know. He just says he's teleporting. Are you guys causing it, or is that a game glitch?
oh, it must be a game glitch because, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at me. Look, I look at you. I keep like boom, like going.
I haven't seen you teleport. I've been watching you.
No, I just like going to rest. It was up there, and I was keep. It stopped.
Maybe you were just glitching.
Yo, how did they do? Wait, how do you change the thing? They're not. Wait, how do you change the?
And on the soundboard.
Alright guys, bye. Like and subscribe and have a nice day. Stay happy, stay positive.